Imphal City manungda traffic volume hanthanaba Chingmairong khongnangani kara Kangla Western Gate amadi Nitaitpa Chuthek Raj Bhavan mamangda leiriba traffic roundel sing lauthokadauri. BJP Lengakna Leibak Wathok oiraba Rafael scheme bu namsinnaba amadi lana lamjingnaba hotnare haina AICC ki General Secretary MP Gaurav Gogoina phongtorakli. Amasung Salai Holdings na Jack Republic ki technology amadi funding lauduna Assamda beer sungnaba brewery amadi Manipurda achoba poultry farm hangnaba thorang paikhatba hokre. Mehamo krimzari adom yangbrib se Impact News ni Prime Time Manipur News Bulletin dai khaidam jentazina hoje pungja si fawbugi marba pauksing mayam da pizari. Imphal City manungda traffic volume hengalakpagi thengnariba khudong chadaba si koknaba Chingmairong khongnani kara Kangla Western Gate amadi Netaipa Chuthek Raj Bhavan mamangda leiriba traffic roundel sing asi lokthokadauri. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways ki lupa koti taraganipan ga lakh nifugu taret khare henba senfamdagi improvement of traffic rotary and constructions of foot overbridge in Imphal City project ki Makhada Public Works Department na paikat kadoriba thabak sing asi yengsinbagi khongchat ama ngasi PWD ki National Highway Circle ki Superintending Engineer Yumnam Joy Kumar, Additional Chief Engineer 3T Ravindra Kumar, Executive Engineer National Highways Division number 3 and Milan Naluchingduna pangthoki. Timaduna khongnangani kara Kangla Western Gate amadi BT Road Overbridge yauna PWD na paikat kadoriba project site the Chatuna Yangsinki. Tungda PWD ki National Highway Circle Superintending Engineer Yumnam Joy Kumar na Phongdorakpada Chingmairong khongnani karak the leiriba traffic roundel asi Manipur gi Puwari ga naknana leibana miyam gi mot ama lauba tangai fadri hairi. Nakalamaromda PWD na paikhalakpa round safety measures ki road safety measures ki saruka moina BT Road the leiriba overbridge makhongdagi Gambhir Singh shopping fauba Johnstone Higher Secondary School Maning M sector amasung Kashampa Junction da foot overbridge ahum sanaba thorang leire hairi. Project asi mathang chahi December faugi manungda loisina pandam thamli.
Sagadaba foot overbridge asi khogiyamna latest technology haiba tare haji India gi mafam da ayamba sadri ayamba hana yamna ariba khogi actor steel na torakanda khajillaga sabagi mongdu nate tensile membrane framework kana harakanda khogi tubular structure tumnagi yot sumbanate magi specialized FE magi exact details ri kaugre magi ji khoi khara hena faba yot yamna chawdra ju kha slender oina torba ya ma pangani ma kanba adum yot to torakanda fabrication di khoi manipur ta tawdre ma panda fabrication toga pura akanda masida khoi assembly togadoni aduga magi mathaki roofing sina khoi tensile membrane na adum ma khalni membrane ni togadori se na sigi si khoi na ta sengna in house na khoi design ta bai moda consultant amagi thura togan design to hanbani.
Highway Truck Drivers Welfare Organization Hitwana Lakliba Anoba Chahi January Ama New Year Numitta National Highway number 37 Imphal Jiribamda Chathok Chasin Tauriba Driver Amadi Transporter Singi Khudong Chanaba Wet Breeze Khudol Tamlagani Hairi. Gasi Kwakatel the Laiba Hitwa gi Office ta Paumi Singa Unaba the organization Sigi Information and Public Relations Secretary Brozendro Kontogjamna High Supreme Court Manipur High Court amadi State Transport Department gi Maikai digi order thoktuna Imphal Jiribam da leiriba barak amadi Makru thongda puba yaba malgari gi arumba tonnage lepkiba laikre adubu malgari gi arumba onaba wet bridge amata leitabana transporter amadi driver kharana naronda malgari singna tonnage hena purambadagi laibak thiba thokdok thokiba fauba laikre hairi. Hitwana Gulathonda wet bridge asi sahanduna khudol tamgadabani nakalamuromda Impact News na fangba pawda Imphal Ziri lambi gi barak thong semjinbada numit nini humni changkhigani hairi.
Ton hen porakpadagi thong dang atanga tatliba lambida soinga mayam yaholiba si koknabidamukta lakadroba 2019 gi January gi date 1 New Year hana khangnaba numit asidagi tuna National Highway 37 Imphal Jiribam road sida chatliba gari khudimaki arumbadu ole raga with bridge sangaraga New Year gi anubu chegi khudol oina koi free of course ta paisa amata lawdana akoi hairiba National Highway 37 sida miamda trucker singda adi transporter singda khudon tamjaragani brak bridge tatliba si athumatamda government na paliba sarkar sina amadi India government na thumatan yengin birega asugumba transporter singi amadi trucker singi truck driver singi punamaki awaba si kohon binaba hona biwadana puning sinjari
Leibasida Paliba Narendra Modi na luchingba BJP Laingak Asida Leibak Wathok Oiraba Raffle Scheme Asi Namsinnaba Amadi Lana Lamjingnaba Hotnari Haina AICC gi General Secretary Amadi CWC gi member Oiriba MP Gaurav Gogoina Fondorokli. Raffle Scheme ga Mari Lainana Congress Bhavan the MPCC na pangthokhiba pau gi mifam amada Gaurav Gogoina makhata na hai Raffle Scheme gi case asi BJP na minamba amadi namthakta minamba amana kupsinnaba hotnari. Case asigi matangda BJP laingakna submit tawkiba affidavit adusu unsigned affidavit ni Raffle Scheme ga mari lainana makhoina tawrakhiba CAG report adu mapung fade loinana Parliamentary Standing Committee na su Parliament da CAG report piba laiti haiki Leibasida BJP na opposition oiringaida JPC laiti haina warami aduga hauzik BJP laingak laklaba matamda kari maram gidamang JPC laigadoribuna haina su fongdoraki.
The Congress party has always maintained that Supreme Court is not the appropriate forum, and the appropriate forum is the JPC, because in our constitution the parliament is supreme. The JPC which will have members from the ruling party and all political parties can go into thorough details of this case. They can summon the files and find out when was the decision taken that instead of 126-36 jets would be brought. The JPC can call upon the Prime Minister, because it is the Prime Minister's personal intervention, and find out from the Prime Minister as to why he feels that this new deal is better, despite the fact that from 126 we have come down to 36. HAL has been denied its right. India has lost out on a valuable opportunity of technology transfer and learning the technology of making these advanced fighter jets. And why has a private company conveniently incorporated 12 days before the Prime Minister Modi's visit has got a major part of the offset contract? Without taking approval or without consulting the Defense Minister, Foreign Minister, the Defense Acquisition Committee, the Prime Minister personally intervenes.
Manipur gi ahanba Chief Minister Oramba Mairembam Koirengi Chamagu Sumna Ahum Suba Mapokumon Thauram ngasi Moirangi Aini Hall da pangthokrai. Mairembam Koireng Memorial Trust na sinduna pangthokiba thauramada saruk yakiba singna Mairembam Koirengi photo da haikal eika tamduna ikai khumna utki. Thauramada saruk yakiba hanagi Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangamna Chief Minister Oramba Mairembam Koireng lamdamasigi damak achumba amadi lamdamasigi integrity khangna ngakpi senbiramba atangba Chief Minister amani haina singthaki. National People's Party MPP gi National Vice President Phunzathang Tonsing Masagi Anaba Amana Maram Oiraga ngasi laikidre. Hana Congress laingak leiringai matamda Minister Oremkhiba Phunzathang asi ngasi numidang wairam New Delhi da leiba Apollo Hospital da laikidabani. Laikidraba Phunzathang Englishing aniga taraga taretta Congress Party thadoktuna NPP da changkhibani. All Manipur DPC completed candidates of Manipur Rifles MEL 2016 batch ki candidates singi JC na makhoi gi haidoktana leiriba result haidokpio haina CM Banglo tamna rally lakpada police na thingkre. Ngasi candidates sing aduna all ambulanda pullaba matungda CM Banglo tamna rally chatpa haurakpada Imphal West ki ASP masamakna luchingba police team amana thattuna thingkibani. Mapamadudagi miyoi ahum khangatlaba matungda CM da memorandum pisinba chatki. Ngasigi khongjang aduga mari leinana JC gi Wanganglo H Bobo na hai Englishing aniga taraga tarukta kaukhiba MR personal chamri ga nifumathoi gi result asi hauze fawba haidoktaba si lamdamasi gi thabak fangdriba naharol singbu laingak asina lana lamjinbani. Chahi ahum rom suraba recruitment asi laklib December kunga taruk fawb gi manungda haidoktaba taragadi makhal makha kya gi khongjang sing changsilagani hai.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯔꯨꯠ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯋꯔꯕꯨꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯈꯤꯗꯧꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ MR ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯩꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯕꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 13 ꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯩꯗꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯝꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒꯅꯤ.
India Pumbagi Oina Post Office Singda All India Gramin Dak Sevak Union AIGDSU na changsiliba matam kaktaba thabak lepagi khongjangi sarukam oina Manipur gisu AIGDSU Manipur Division na sinduna thabak leptuna khongjang changsinba hokre. Imphal gi Post Office manungda chatakiba wakat mifam aduga mari leinana Union gi President Wahengbam Ibohan bina hai India Pumbagi Union asina taliba demand sing Gramin Dak Sevakta Thabak Tauriba Mioi Singbu Hauzik Paliba Legang Asina Miraiba Si Lep Kadabani, Gramin Dak Sevak Singi PSC Matamga Chananaba Maungda Semdo Kadabani, GDS Committee English Singani Taraga Turkey, January Amagi report Adu, Chana Halu Amadi GIS Amadi Gratuity Gi Senfam Asi Lak Manga Oigadabani Haiba Demand Kaya Asi Fangdriba Fauba Kongjang Makatana Chatakigani Hairi.
Say Kuntani Puya Tabak Misiga, Narang of the Tanga Misiga, Kenaba Tamdana, Lebel Amata the Pulak Tamba, many employment from Topa, Incremendo, Sarkana, Pibidaba, Penjingi Pasha, Abadi, GIS, in service the Kagumba Siva, Numba Yoragadi, Asiva Yoragadi, Akwegi insurance or in a Pigadova, Lupa Lak Mangachi, Sarkan, order talked on Namsala Tambiba. But Dimanji head Pongribo Bodi, Akoi share, Matam Katana Chatagini, Hyperport, Machine, Thank you.
All India Bank Officers Confederations AIBOC na tungan-tungan ba demand kaya ga loina na laklib December kun kamathoida leiba sigi AIBOC gi makhada leiba bank sing thong londuna khongjang changsin gani haina AIBOC Manipur State Unit ke Secretary CH Lilabantana Fongdorkli wafam sing asinumidang Wairam MZ Avenue da leiba SBI gi bank ta pangthokiba paumi singa unaba mada mahangna Fongdokipani mahangna hai India lengak asigi bank singi full mandate officer hapiba bank staff singi pension scheme updation tauba haiba demand amadi hauzik chalairiba Bank of Baroda Vijaya Bank amadi Dane Bank bu amatta oina punsingani haiba si yaningdaba fongdokpa yaungna wakat kayaga loinana khongjing asi leibak sin bathungna changsin gadabani hairi
Maruina Tarikun Mathoigi, December ki Tarikun Mathoida, Ekoi Ibok na Koriba, strike a sigi, Maruiba Nungu Pandum de, Banki Manung de Lajariba, officers sing a sida, Ekoi Singship Tazalapa, Machin Manao in a Numshina, Lajariba, Manungi Porta, Tugaina Silapa, Tiny Britishki Matanda, Chanaramba, divide in the rules, theory do, Koi Banki officers sing sida, Singship Tazalapa set, Masi Maruiba. Maroi bawa pam si kena pangtuk tergasu si pada ki maroi bawa pam ni alwa ai nasi media ki mapam tu thamjake.
Joint Administrative Council JC of All Manipur Adet School Employees Organization na thadorokpa cherolamada lakliba December kunganithoi da JC gi oiba mifam ama Laishram Khulem Laikai Community Hall New Office Lamfelpatta apunba mifam ama pangtholagani hairi loinana state asida leiriba Granin 8 School chamanga ga marfuga manga gi oza listing amaga chatruko humfutra ga nithoi na resign tawragani haina cherolasina makatana khangalakli. Manipur Science and Technology Council Mastek amasung National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology akam partner sinduna ngasi National Mathematics Day gi thoram pangtokre. Imphal ki akam partner labor institute asigi campus ta pangtokhiba thoram asida Science and Technology Department gi Commissioner T Panmai IAS na fongdorkhibada Mathematics subject asi mahiroi sing na yamna luba subject ama oina launariba si hotnaba watpadagini. Loinana subject asi class 12 fauba compulsory ohenba mathautai oza sing nasu subject asida henna mai onsinduna mahis roi sing bu takpi tambiba tangai fate haiki.
Students from Hill district say generally mathematics are young weak way any school thing does a loco any subject no quite the height the anka height haigani aduna takpadi we have to do a lot of hard work because this is in fact this generation and generations to come will be identified and defined by their knowledge in mathematics. So we cannot be left behind. So students from any sector should not be left behind in terms of mathematics.
Voluntary Donors Group Manipurna tha ahum khudingi lisang sina chatharakpa blood donation camp Rims Hospital ki blood transfusion medicine da ngasi pangtokre ngasi ki thoramadda group asigi secretary Ilangbam Lokendrana lamdamasida thengnariba watpa si watpa ki awaba si kharada oirabasu menkhatpa ngamnabagi pandamda tha ahum khudingi blood donation program asi pangtokpani hairi ngasi punna miyoi kunthra romna lemna epiki ngasi yu pung 3 minute manga dagina pung 3 minute kun fawba Imphal East District ki Hengang Police Station na konba Pumai Colony da Imphal East District Commando gi team amana yum changduna thiba humba gi thabak chathakre thiba humba gi thabak adu Imphal East ki SP Commando 1 second OC Commando amadi nupi Commando Police yawba apunba Commando gi team amana chathakibane thiba humba adu da mafam adu gi yum kuntraga taret hostel ahum amadi ADC bhawan gi nupi nupa punna miyoi chani ga yankai manga gi verification chathaki Bishnupur District ki Thangada Laiba Kha Thinungai Gram Panchayat ki Laumi Chamaga Kuntra Romda Ravi Crops ki Marumarang Singh Yanthokpagi Thoram Amadi Awareness Program ama pangtokre Thoramadu Agriculture Department Bishnupur ki Makhada International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA Bishnupur District Thanga Branch na Sinduna Thangalawai Community Hall da pangthokibane Lau loi kraba matung hangduna leiriba lobuk sing ningtham gi mahi marong thaduna senmitlon karamna hengat hangadagi haibagi matang da resource person singna lomi singda sugaina taki Matang swice the break amlogzage break ki matung da Salai Holdings na Jack Republic ki technology amadi funding logduna Assam da beer sungna ba brewery amadi Manipur da achauba poultry farm hangna ba thorang tawkibagi pau amadi Manipur sungmaling tongan ipau sing pudun lakchage impact news mit eng ta dun review break ki matung da mayam bo mukana taram lokchari Manipur dry state oizarabasu lamdamasi da ladiba entrepreneurs singi mafam da di ninghanaba laitri Manipur ki Salai Holdings Private Limited na yumlo nariba state Assam da achauba beer sungnaba company amadi Manipur da achauba organic poultry farm hangnaba thorang paikhat pa hokre hiramasigi matang da akanaba report ama Wanglei Brewer hariba beer project asi Assam ki Tihu da leiba Mega Northeast Food Park da Salai Agro Private Limited na linkhat kadabani Euro lakh kuntraga tare lising kuntragu humdoi gi senfam oiba Salai gi beer project asi Saficam Group ki Jack Company Techno Expo ki technical support ka loinana Jack Commercial Bank CSOV ki sentang makhada paikhat katabane Salai Holdings ki chairman N Samarjit amadi board of directors ka loinana thaurang asigi matangda chayol asigi angan ba sarukta Prague da leiba Saficam Group ki headquarters da khudyek pinakhi tungda timaduna Prague da leiba brewery da changduna beer sungba ki processing su yangsinki plan asina ahanbagi oina chahi amada beer hectoliter lising kungamanga puthoknaba pandam thambaga loinana tungda hectoliter lising nimfu puthoknaba pandam thamli paumi singda Salai gi chairman Samarjitna Wanglei brewery lakadurba Englishin aniga kungi mayai chalakpada malem gi maming leiraba Pilsner beer makhal puthoknaba target tawri hairi
after you need to cool down very rapidly please come more so this is also small CO2 station. Pavel, what is this used for?
Nakalamromda Salai Holding na Jack Republic ki Bar Techniques of RSGB Group ka Mega Poultry Project ama Bishnupur District ki Tinungai da paikhatnaba thaurang tawkre. Project asina chahi amada mahau leiba yel lakh mapan puthoknaba target tawri. Project asi paikhatpa matamda euros lakh taraga tarukka lising yankai changadawri. Project asi paikhatnaba hanana thinungaida lam hectare lising yankai loksinduna leirabani. Poultry project asigi maruiba pandamdi hakchang faba khunai amagidama khwaidagi mahau leiba amadi multi nutritional value leiba organic poultry gi pothok sing puthokpanai. Samarjit na fongdorakpagi matung inna project asina local poultry farmers sing dasu khanghanduna chap manaba kanaba sing local farmers singa lominanaba pukning thawatkani hairi Bauer Techniques ki official singna paumi singda fongdorakpada Jack Company na Salai Holding da expert amadi veterinary medical support singda mating pangani hairi Agreement asigi manung channa Salai Holdings Board of Director Poultry Project ki paikat kadaba mafam sing thinungai da chatuna yangsinkrai. Director Singi Khongchat aduda Japanese expert Takio Tokunari amadi mahaki khongbu singsu loinaki. Panba yabadi Japanese expert Takio Tokunari ki team adu thasigi haukiba taraga tarukta Salai Holdings amadi Japanese firm Maiwa company ki tonganba project Bio Toilet and Carbonization of Organic Materials ki damak Imphal-da thunglakibani. Bureau Report, Impact News. Lamjingba Motors Private Limited ki funding makhada chalaigadaba Asok Leyland ki Sorumama ngasi Thawal District ki Kiamda Manipur Lengak ki CFNPD Minister Karam Shyamna hangdokre. Tharamadda saruk yaraduna Minister Karam Shyamna Lamjingba Group na kathokpaga loinana lamdamasigi damak paikhatliba thabak thoram singbu singthaki. Lamdamasida Lamjingba Group kumba entrepreneur kaya ama thorakpa mathautai haina makhataki. Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited के Vice Chairman K. Sarat Kumar ngasi nilakuthida leiba food park ki infrastructure ki fibam sing hakthengna na chatuna yangsin krai yangsin khongchat aduda K. Sarat Kumar na food park asida watliba thabak sing menkhatpa ngamna ba Vice Chairman ama oina angamba thakta hotnagani haina thazaba piki khongchat aduda food park asida mathau tawduna leiriba Sri Balaji Flour Mill Thangzam Agro Industries Likla gi bakery amasung mineral water plant Changduna Yangsinki, Loinana Food Park, Asida, Chahi Mangagi, Mamang the install Taukrabasu, Hosifawa Matau Taudana Ladiba, Solid Wedge Management Gi Matau Taugadaba, Effluent Treatment Plan Gi Fibamsu Yangsinki.
Awatpa, Lehuribasinsi, Koi full Sagat Pasua, remake fruity carry Sagat Pokapa, fruity completely horticulture department open. Do show Quiga campus Lebanina, when a Tujanisi, Yaring Atuba Matamda, in the city again, Lake Lees Lonagi for Conagi Basinse, Sigi, the Traba condition, Duma, Ujumati, Tamangamdre, Atumatamda after assembly session, Mumada, Mam the Tamna Hona Jarage, Duga. Lady Burr, while Hori Basinsi, am Atumatam the complete Tawangamaga. Except the one no one of the state government amity, central leadership na, never put died to see a Mapung Pana perform to one number one is again.
Lalobogi Irang amadi Furuk Masel Hano Sunaba Yauna Tuan but Hodok Sing Namaram Wedega Mama Mapa Laitraba, Lamdamasi Angang Singi Damak, Taurang Kaya, Paikatli Haina National Foundation for Communal Harmony Secretary, Manos Pont retired IFS na Fondorokli. Hiramasgi matang dengan sinumidang Secretariat South Block Conference Hall da Paumi Singa Unabada Manos Panta Makatana Hai National Foundation for Communal Harmony Haibasi Autonomous Organization Amani Kumza listing aniga taraga nipan da Manipur da lupa koti amaga lak marfu ga mapan thada dunai Angang lishing amaga chamaga humfuga tareta mating pikre masigi manungda haujik Manipur da angang singi manungda engineer tragamathoi BBA ama architect ama nurse ahum MBA ama MBBS ani amasung bachelors of naturopathy ahum tamhalli hairi makhatana mama mapa leitraba Manipur gi angang singda makhal kayagi mating pinaba hotnari masigi matangda district administration singa unare makhoi gi maikai dagi su thazaba wafam sing pirakle hairi.
We are requesting all of them to come back to their roots and motivate these young children so that these young children have something to look forward to. They can also be inspired by the success of these people. We have also requested the district administration in Imphal West and Senapati, and we are talking to all the district magistrates to have a career counseling cell in the district so that these children are given proper guidance on how to plan their career.
Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 gi mayok thangasi nesona senduna India Delhi gi Jantar Mantar da protest atakre North East State ki Student Union Nippon pullaga semba North East Student Organization nesona senduna protest adu chatakibani Manipur Student Association Delhi Masat ki General Secretary Javed Mehdi hai Citizens Amendment Bill ilisingani taragataruki matung inna India government na mapandagi changlak liba mitop singbu North East da laihanaba siliba policy esibu yaning da ba fongdoktuna ngasigi protest asi chathabani hairi. Varatiya Modi Army Manipur State Unit amadi district sing in nauna thau punaba khallaba miyoi sing okpagi thorama mangasi Hotel Imphal gi Sangai Hall da pangthokrai. Varatiya Modi Army BMA Manipur State Unit na sinduna pangthokiba thorama duga mari leinana BMA gi ST Shell gi National President Amit Adim Pamai na hai NBA gi Maikai dagi BMA gi Maikai dagi Manipur bu chakpat thorang gi lamda khumang chauksin ba lamdam ama oina ba hotnari amadi matam matam gi oiba thabak khuding makki progress report sing BMA gi khutang da Prime Minister da khangali hairi.
Prime Minister gi lanmi ama oina organization dagi na aikoi Prime Minister gi imung ama oire magi imung na phau tawbam ngamloi da thabak aikoi na tawbam ngambagi shakti aikoi da bibire Prime Minister masigi thabak asida aikoi na Shiran bagi wakallon da aduga khatna saina bagi wakallon da aikoi chattabadi aran ba oigani.
Social media gi khutang da mioi kharana kangla manung da Durga gi irat thawni pangthokle hairiba si aranba yumfam yaudaba wafam ni haina State Archaeological Government of Manipur gi Superintendent na thadrokpa cherolamana hairi. Kangla manung da Durga Puja tawba amadi latba leite haina cherolasina makatari. Malemda Manipur bu masak takliba jagoi ras yokhatnaba pandamda Manipuri jagoi marupna sindun uripok nauremthong takhelambam laikai da leiba Radha Binod Dalan Mandafta ngasi Bashanta Ras Utkre Thoramasi gi matangda Manipuri jagoi marup ki Secretary RK Sana Hanbina hai Ras Lila si yokhatnaba pandamda ngasi gi Thoramasi pangthokpani haina phongdoroke.
Hujikti Ras Lila si akoina mamangaida angang ni matamdadi leirak konchangda aduga lekai da yamna katpirami adubu hujikti Ras Lila si yamna lanna pangthokpire adubu marang-maraktadi festival gumba Yen Manipur Dance Academy na festival gumba tawbi asinatanadi akoina yamna pangthokpagi kanosi laikidabasida akoina masi mutkidanaba promote tawnabagi damakta akoina masigi singmu khongthang asi lokhatchabani.
Sakomlan Maino Lerak Machinda ngasi Sringhar haina kauba nupi singi beauty salon ama hangdokre masida nupi singi aki amaugi tongan ba potlam kaya musu fanghalli hairi. Hojik ngasinobagi sanabagi pau. Manipur gi mapari Rex Raskumar na India gi cricket masana da anoba puwari ma thambangam kray under 19 Cooks Bihar Trophy Multi Days ki cricket tournament ki puwari da innings amada wicket tara lobang ngamba anishuba India gi sanaroi oibangam kray Patso Assembly Constituency gi manung chana leiba Moirang Hanubada leiba RK Dorendra amadi Renubala Devi anigi machanupani. Thasi gi taragani thoi da Andhra Pradesh ki Rural Development Trust Stadium Anantapur da sanakiba under 19 Cooks Bihar Trophy gi multi days ki cricket match amada sanaroi asina punna wicket taraga manga lauduna Manipur na Arunachal Pradesh pu maiti ba pibangam ki Arunachal Pradesh ki ahanba innings da sanaroi sina wicket manga aduga ani suba innings dana over mapan ga ball manga da run taraga matoi khak piraga wicket tara lauduna under 19 Cooks Bihar Trophy multi days ki cricket tournament ki puwari da innings amada wicket tara loba ngamba ani shuba India gi sanaroi oibangam ki bani. Four Corners Unite Mumbai na ngasi grassroots ki mathakta football masana takpi tambiriba club singda football masana gi potlam sing kudol tamkrai ngasi Palace compound leiba Eastern Sporting Union indoor hall da pangthoki ba thoramadu da Four Corners Unite na Manipur gi tongan ba mafam kya da football masana sibu henna chokot nabagi pandam da asan mitnieng amaga loinana pikliba nupa macha amadi nupi macha singi oiba grassroots ki thakta football masana sibu takpi tambiriba club nifuga nipanda pukning thogot poina football masana gi polam singa do khodol tamkhibani.
Yang equipment sang the water why sana ba sidi sida aduga nobody yang do kana we coordination di form with ka adegi ayam sina put ka with ka coordination do ada with ka form ka inda strategy ni do ba di level se do ki hai aduga lei ba het why na sana ba te uti te si why na sana ba ya de kada why na sana na ba ba ka da amana sang
Naharol Yaifa Thaurang Club Okram Chutheki Nupi Football Sanaroi Oiramba NG Balamadi Y Kamala Anigi ngasi taram opagi thaurama pangtokre International Women's Football Match Kungamathoi Sanakraba Manipur gi saknairaba nupi footballer Amadi India team gi captain Oiribi NG Balamadi International Women's Football Match taraga manga sanakrabi Y Kamala Anibu taram opagi thauramadu club asida pangtokhi Banba yabadi NG Bala English ne taraga mari amadi English ne taraga mangada EIFF Women's Footballer of the Year takrabini amadi Y Kamala English ne taraga taretta EIFF Women's Footballer of the Year takibani
Ozaduga aiga sanaminabdo aduki mati aingonda interest am oigiba aine khalambadi oza adi koramjariba ozado aiga sanaminaba famga aise adu aingonda yamna interest oigi aduna maram oiraga 2002 sida ai clubs asida yauraga aikoigi assam da pangthokiba under 19 sida ai se participate tawi aduga aigi di ahanbani adu best player taraga ai halakiba
adaki footballer of the year tarak pasigi dedicate to budi ai indomcha gi minna sumati indomcha na ai for da le piram da taraga di ai hujuji ai na le standard adaki ai huji nungai ba football masana da nungai ba ma phawra ma haw ma football asida ma haw ma phangba ngami se ai indomcha gi mangal ni ai asadi hujuji ai player amma ki mating di pangba ngamji adu grassroots level angang macha nupi macha nupa macha ai coach ma koi jadraga su ai moi gi damakta mating pangge haina khali pang su pangani
Arabida bulletin asigi headlines samhana mayam da thamsage Imphal City manungda traffic volume hantha hanaba Chingmairong Khongnani Karak Kangla Western Gate amani ni Taipa Chutheng Raj Bhavan mamang da leidiba traffic roundel sing laukhokadawri BJP Lengak na Laibak Wathok Oiraba Rafael Scheme Bu Namsinnaba Amadi Lan na Lamjingnaba Hotnare Hain AICC ki General Secretary MP Gaurav Gogoi na Phongtoroki. Amasung Salai Holdings na Jack Republic ki technology amadi funding lauduna Assam da beer sungnaba brewery amadi Manipur da Achoba poultry farm hangnaba thauram paikhatpa hokre.